Hello, welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2016 330e M Sport Saloon. Vehicle's presented in Estrel Blue, features a warranty body enhancement kit. Being the 330e, that is of course the plug-in hybrid version of the 3 Series. We have also added the brand new 20-inch M Performance Style 405M alloys. At the front then we've got LED headlights. This of course where you will plug the car in to charge up on. Really nice and simple, works anything like a chargeable device, so you plug it in, leave it be, and it'll take care of itself from there in. Charging time is around about 3 to 4 hours on a stone dead flat charge. From that full battery then, BMW give a claimed range of around about 27 to 30 miles of pure electric drive. Now of course that will depend on what accessories you're running, driving condition and driving style. Inside this wonderful 330e we've got the half Alcantara, half cloth seats. We'll show you more of the interior features in a moment. They don't differ too far from a regular petrol or diesel 3 Series, so you've still got your 3-seat Isofix rear bench in here, central folding armrest in that lovely half Alcantara setup. Round towards the back then, again having those bigger alloys really does make the difference. We've got the LED rear lights, gloss rear spoiler and diffuser. If we just pop open the tailgate, you'll see I've already got it on display for you, the BMW charging cable. Nice and simple, it's a 3-pin socket, so it'll plug into any socket like your household ones. This one has also fortunately been equipped with split folding seats, so again that's going to give you that little bit more room back, that the boot depth that you've lost out on, because of course we have got the batteries and electric motors on board. You only lose a slight bit of boot depth, but again, as I've mentioned, we have got split folding seats on this one. Round at the driver's side, again a very nice clean and tidy example of a 330e M Sport. Let's just pop that open. There you can see having that split folding seats is a real nice feature to have. Inside then, let's quickly jump on board and go through a couple of the features. So as we step inside, again you'll notice there's not much difference from a regular petrol or diesel alternative 3 Series. We've still got our business nav and media up here, so we'll run through that. There's Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio, and of course USB, AUX and Bluetooth line in. It's got multifunction M Sport steering wheel, cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, pedals for the 7-speed box. The eDrive models use a 7-speed automatic gearbox. This one's covered just over 61,000 miles. The only real difference inside here is 2 buttons. We've got an eDrive button here to activate our different modes, as you can see there. And we've got a button down just to my right which opens the fuel filler cap, so nothing too exciting to show you there. So there is a look around a 330e M Sport here at your next car in the 2016 in Estrel Blue. Any further information, please do check out the links I'll leave for you in the description. Thank you once again, take care, bye bye.